Alright, we're on our last set of 3 concept cartoons. You should be on number 36 timeline. How long does natural selection take to happen? And you see a timeline here that says millions of years to hundreds of years to several years, several months, and several days. So person A says, it all depends on how fast the species reproduces, but it still takes at least hundreds of years. Person B says, it always takes millions of years. Person C says, some changes can be seen in a single generation if the habitat changes dramatically. And person D says, I think that even if the environment changes, the species do not. Who do you think has the best answer? Person A, person B, person C, or person D? Mark that on your worksheet in the pre-column next to number 36 timeline. This is cartoon 22, variation. Where does genetic variation come from? Person A says, genetic variation is produced by changes in the DNA. Person B says, genetic variation is produced by natural selection. Person C says, genetic variation is the result of adaptation. And the little mouse down here, number D, or letter D, says, I think you are all correct. On your worksheet next to number 22, variation, write down if you believe A, B, C, or D has the best answer to where does genetic variation come from. This is our last concept cartoon, number 38, variation. Are we all the same inside? Person A says, although we look different on the outside, we are all the same inside. Person B says any differences inside come from changes in how we grow. Genes are not involved. Person C says, I think that we have differences. My blood type is different from my sister's. And D says, there are male and female differences, but that's all. Who has the best answer to are we all the same inside? Person A, B, C, or D? Mark that on your worksheet next to number 38, variation, and we'll be all done.